Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Reactivity of alcohols toward HBr follows the order tertiary, secondary, primary because the reaction proceeds via carbocation formation SN1 or direct substitution, and more substituted carbocations are more stable, lowering the activation energy. Moving on to the next step. Analyze each option to determine whether the second alcohol is more reactive than the first. Option A. First alcohol, 1-methylcyclopentane, 1-ol tertiary alcohol, C1 of cyclopentane bears off CH3 and 2 ring carbons. Second alcohol, cyclohexanol, cyclohexane 1-ol with H shown, secondary alcohol. Tertiary, secondary, so the first is more reactive than the second. This does not satisfy the condition. Option B. First alcohol, 1-ethylcyclopentane, 1-ol tertiary alcohol, C1 of cyclopentane bears off ethyl group and 2 ring carbons. Second alcohol, 1-cyclopentyletanol, cyclopentyl CH of CH3, secondary alcohol. Tertiary, secondary, so the first is more reactive. This does not satisfy the condition. Option C. First alcohol, CH3CH of CH2CH3 is equal to butan 2-ol secondary alcohol. Second alcohol, CH3CH2CH, CH3, CH2 of is equal to 2-methylbutan 1-ol primary alcohol. Secondary, primary, so the first is more reactive than the second. This does not satisfy the condition. Option D. First alcohol, CH3CH of CH2CH3 is equal to butan 2-ol secondary alcohol. Second alcohol, CH3 to C of CH2CH3 is equal to 2-methylbutan 2-ol tertiary alcohol. Tertiary, secondary, so the second alcohol is more reactive than the first. This satisfies the condition. And for the final step, confirm option D. The second alcohol, 2-methylbutan 2-ol, is a tertiary alcohol because the carbon bearing the OH group is attached to 3 other carbon groups CH3, CH3, and CH2CH3. Tertiary alcohols react fastest with HBr because they form the most stable tertiary carbocations. The first alcohol, butan 2-ol, is secondary and thus less reactive. Therefore, the second alcohol in pair, D, is indeed more reactive than the first. Why other options fail, A and B, have tertiary alcohols first and secondary second, C has secondary first and primary second. In all cases the first is more reactive, not the second. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.